Boost your energy and mood, improve sleep, and possibly lose weight, all by adding simple nutrients to your diet. Here are 10 simple nutrition hacks that will help you get more nutrition in your diet without sacrificing taste. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to share one bonus hack. Let's start. Number 1, during breakfast, add nuts, seeds, or fruit onto your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. Just 1/2 cup of blueberries adds manganese, vitamin K, and is a great source of fiber. 2, instead of having toast with butter, cream cheese, or jam, try some toast with avocado and pepitas or hummus and chopped tomatoes. Plants are filled with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. These are nutrients that our bodies require to function properly. They can help us maintain a healthy weight, reduce our risk for chronic diseases, and boost our energy levels. 3, for a mid-morning snack, try a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts and seeds. Did you know that one fresh peach is filled with copper, potassium, and even has a small amount of protein? 4, during lunch, boost your fiber, B5, and folate by adding tomatoes, onion, and avocado to your favorite lunchtime Sammy. And if you want to take it a step further, add fresh herbs like basil, cilantro. Both are high in polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. 5, speaking of lunch, switch out your bread for a whole grain bread, which typically has more fiber and more protein than very processed white bread. This is an easy switch. With all the information that we now have at our fingertips, we are more aware than ever of the importance of eating a healthy diet. While there is lots of debate about what constitutes a healthy diet, most experts do agree that eating plenty of plants is a great way to improve our health. 6, lots of people have an afternoon crash, which some doctors attribute to a poor lunch. Instead of grabbing more caffeine, why not enjoy some hummus with raw veggies like cucumbers and sweet pepper slices? Vitamin A and vitamin C are packed into this delicious snack. 7, dinner is, of course, a great place to add lots more nutrients. Consider adding 1/2 cup of greens to your meal. Any soup, salad, or sandwich could be easily kicked up nutritionally with added greens. I always add about 1 cup or more of greens to my soups. The greens will wilt and they don't add much flavor-wise or texturally to the dish. Greens could also be thrown into a tomato-based pasta sauce or even a pesto. This is a great way to add greens into a kid's diet without them usually noticing. 8, speaking of sauces, tofu or unflavored white beans can be used in a sauce. Next time you are making an Alfredo, bechamel, or cheese sauce, consider adding just 1/2 cup of tofu or white beans. Not only will you get more fiber and protein, but calcium, iron, zinc, and fiber, and you won't taste the difference. 9, don't forget dinner toppings. Just like you might add cheese to many dishes, start adding herbs like parsley and mint. You could also add sesame seeds to an Asian dish or pepitas, which are a type of pumpkin seed. I also like to add crushed raw peanuts, which are actually a legume, to Thai dishes. 10, many of us enjoy something sweet after dinner. Why not have a bowl of yogurt topped with frozen raspberries or blueberries? You could also add some chopped walnuts or granola. 1 handful of chopped walnuts add an entire day's requirements of omega-3s. Or have a mojito salad, which has flavorful mint and lime juice. Check out my recipe video, which I'll link below. As you can see, it's pretty easy to pump up your nutrition. And since you watched until the end, here's a bonus. If you really want to easily boost nutrition, consider adding a daily smoothie. The smoothie that I drink every day is packed with nutrients including calcium, iron, zinc, and has 13 grams of fiber. But here's the kicker. It also has over 10 grams of protein. I know a lot of you worry about getting enough protein, especially when adding more plants to your diet. My smoothie has blueberries, banana, a handful of green leafy vegetables, usually spinach or kale, beetroot powder, a Brazil nut, soy milk, flaxseed, celery, and ginger. You do not have to mimic my smoothie though. You can design your own smoothie by adding foods that will increase the nutrition that you may be missing in your diet. If you are hesitant to consume a lot of fruits, vegetables, and nuts, start small with things you actually enjoy. Many people start with a banana, a berry like blueberries or raspberries, and a small amount of greens. Over time, you can add more nutrients to your smoothie. If you are interested in checking out my smoothie, watch my short, which I'll link in the description box. So let's all boost our nutrition by adding a few more plants. Replay this video and decide which plant foods you're going to add to your diet today. I challenge you to add just one new plant food to your diet this week. I know it can be hard to make changes to your diet, but I promise you it's worth it. I used to be obese, but adding more plants to my diet helped me lose weight, increased my energy levels, and helped me sleep better at night. I feel better than I ever have, and I know that you can too. If you'd like to learn more about which nutrients you may be missing in your diet, you can use chronometer.com. This website allows you to track the meals you eat so you can get a better picture of your overall nutrition. To learn more about nutrition, check out nutritionfacts.org, which is a science-based nonprofit with over 2,000 videos on different aspects of healthy eating. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Ask Lala. If you've already liked and subscribed, consider sharing this video with a friend who could use this information to boost their nutrition. And check out my cooking show, which airs every Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Bye!